Hey guys, Chlorine King here. I am just about done vacuuming this pool, and I want to show you guys a tip on how to keep your vacuum bags lasting as long as possible. So it's very simple. A lot of people will drag the bag along the coping and tile, cap tile. If it's rough or cracked or scratched or anything like that, it's going to damage it. So what I do is set the vacuum like that, go ahead and shut it off. Now if you notice, the bag's still hanging in the water, and then all I do from here is just pick it up, tuck it in, and that will increase the life of your vacuum bags as much as possible. It really works for any unit. If you got the power vac, it might have that plastic cover on there, but if you want to remove that or just tuck it underneath, that will work on that system as well. So hopefully guys helps, and hope you have a great day. Take care.